How to activate Macy's credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Macy's credit card online. For this, open up any web browser and head over to macys.com/activate. It is going to take you to this website. Here, you will have to enter some information to verify your card. For this, enter the card number, which is available at the front of your card. Then, you want to enter the name as it appears on your card. Once you have entered the name, next step is to enter the security code. After you have entered the security code, enter the last four digits of your social security number. Now check this box if you want this card to be added to your wallet. Then you want to click on the verify option. After the verification has been completed, your credit card will be successfully activated. You will receive a notification via SMS or email once your credit card has been activated. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.